Hello guys, and my name's Kurt and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be showing you loads of different slimes. It's going to be sort of like this one, but different colours and different textures and stuff. So at first we have this red slime, which is actually my favourite one because it's supposed to change colour, but it hasn't changed yet. So that's the end of the red one. Up next we have this kind of looking male-based slime, but it's actually called unicorn slime. I know I'm a boy and made this, but I still really like it. So yeah, I hope you like it. It took an age to make all this slime, by the way. So yeah, and here we have a bouncing slime, which I'm going to try to bounce. Oh yep, that it was not supposed to come out of the bowl. So yeah. And finally, I have my charcoal slime, and I don't really like touching this one. You can probably see the fact there's white, and the fact that there's white is because I drew on it with white paint, and it's probably going to turn grey now, but so yeah. Thank you for watching my very first video. If you made it to the end, make sure to like and subscribe.